Hello everyone, this is Josie from Landpack. Today I will introduce to you the single-line liquid packing machine behind me that packs energy gel. This machine consists of two main parts. The first part is filling and mirroring part, and the second part is main packer. Now let me show you one by one. This is a piston pump used to mirror the weight. And the second part is the main packer, mainly include 4 devices. Like this part is bag former, and the next one is vertical sealing machine, the irregular bag mold, and the last one is special cutter. This machine can pack 20 to 30 bags per minute. Let's take a look at the operation of this machine. Okay, that's all for this packing machine introduction. If you have any question or need more details about this machine, you can contact Landpack, contact Josie. Thank you for your watching. Bye.